Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Climb Theater online lesson. My name is Keaton, and I am one of the actor educators who works for Climb Theater. Now, working as an actor educator, I normally spend a lot of my time with lots of amazing kids like all of you that are watching. Now, spending time with amazing kids has made me think a lot about what I was like as a kid. Now, I know it's hard to believe, but a long time ago, before I was an actor educator, I was a kid just like all of you out there. And I probably struggled with a lot of the same things that you all are struggling with right now, too. Now, one of the things that I really struggled with when I was a kid was learning how to be accountable. Do you know what it means to be accountable? I'm going to give you a couple seconds to talk with your families and discuss what does it mean to be accountable. Go ahead. Thank you all for taking a second to think about that. Now, at Climb, we say that being accountable means taking care of the things that you need to do and being proud when you do something well. Now, this reminds me of something that happened to me when I was a kid. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to have you take a look at this memory from when I was a kid, and then after you take a look at it, we're all going to talk about it. Go ahead.
Keaton, you need to finish your chores and clean your room before bed.
Okay, Mom. This is so boring. Maybe I'll just clean it in the morning. Thank you all for taking a look at that memory. Now, earlier we said that being accountable means taking care of the things that you need to do and being proud when you do something well. I don't know that we saw young me being very accountable in that memory. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to talk with your families, and what I want to know is, what chores did young Keaton not do in that memory? Go ahead and take a couple of seconds to think about it. Thank you for taking a second to think about that. Now, it looked to me like young me wasn't cleaning my room. I don't know that young me was being very accountable. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look and see what happened next. What the heck? What is going on? Who's there?
It's me, your friendly under the bed monster.
There's a monster under my bed?
Oh, Mom! Well, of course there is. I'm your roommate. You see, I'm no ordinary scary monster. No, I am a friendly monster, and I am here to help you.
Well, I didn't know I had a roommate. I've never heard of a friendly monster before.
You see, Keaton, it looks like to me you're struggling with using your accountability.
Accountability? I don't even know what that means.
Oh, you see, accountability means taking care of the things you need to do and being proud when you do something well. It looks like to me you haven't been taking care of all of the things that you need to do. You made a mistake in using your accountability.
Well, I wasn't trying to make a mistake. There are just other things I want to do more, like play with my toys, or go outside, or like talk to my friends on the phone.
We all want to do fun things, but we also have things that we need to do. What are some of the things that you need to do?
Well, I need to clean my room and do my homework. Oh, and I'm supposed to walk the dog.
So you should do the things that you need to do before you do the things that you want to do.
Well, I'm already a failure at using my accountability. I was supposed to clean my room, and it's too late for me now. It's too late.
Oh, it's never too late to use your accountability. You just need the triple A's. These can help you use your accountability. You see, Keaton, what you need to do is you need to admit, apologize, and then adjust.
Admit, apologize, and adjust. The triple A's.
The first step is admitting that you made a mistake. Then you need to apologize for making that mistake and then adjust so that you don't make the same mistake again.
Okay. Well, I admit that I made a mistake by not cleaning my room first and just messing around with all my toys. And I'm sorry that I didn't take care of the things that I need to do. Adjust. Maybe next time I can do the things that I need to do first and then reward myself with the things that I want to do, like play with my toys or call my friends or, play video games or something.
That's a great idea. Now remember that the definition of accountability is taking care of the things that you need to do and being proud when you do something well. Well, you did a great job of taking accountability right now, so you need to be proud and give yourself a pat on the back.
Well, thanks, Mr. Monster. I couldn't have done it without your help.
Oh, of course. Now remember, if you ever need help using your accountability again, use the triple A's. Admit, apologize, and then adjust. And I'll be down here if you ever need me.
Good night, Mr. Monster. And thanks again for your help.
Oh, good night, Keaton. Sleep tight.
And that is how I met the friendly monster who lived under my bed and learned all about how to use my accountability. Now, I want to learn a little bit more about all of you, so I have a question. What are the things that you need to do? Remember, you can always use what the monster taught me and do what you need to do before you do what you want to do. That's how you can be accountable. Now, if you make a mistake, you can always use the triple A's and admit, apologize, and then adjust. Thank you, everyone, for tuning into this live lesson, and make sure to come back to Climb's page for more lessons in the future. Have a good day!